Ni kuma na mũcemanio wa executive arm of the government MCS andũ acio top cream ya thirikari na mũcemanio-inĩ ũcio the president William Ruto akĩaria harĩa na korirwo akĩaria mĩario ĩkorirwo ĩgĩtuthũra ndereti ĩmwe nene mũno and I think it's the third time or the second time turona William Ruto akĩarĩrĩria ũhoro wa the second term. Now it seems that this second term is really stressing William Ruto according to how he was talking about kurigana ũrĩa ekwarageria ũhoro ũcio na kurigana na the mood of that area nĩguo kuonekanaga something is clearly wrong right now.
I have even had occasion people telling me, oh, you know, you have picked up too many things. You know, especially the difficult ones. You would have waited for your second term. Right? And then you ask yourself, why waste the nation's time waiting for a second term merely because you are working on difficult things? Why don't you finish the difficult things now? You know? If there is a second term, there is plenty of things to be done.
Over the past few days, nukoretwo na maundu maingi muno makoretwo happen and it is hitting the government head on. Undu wa Albert Ojwang ni wakorirwo kirehe igutha inene muno kuri thirikari because Lagat is not just any person. He is not just any police. He is not just the Deputy Inspector General of Police. Ni mundu wa kuhiririe William Ruto na njira ĩmwe mũno na natha ici no amukuhiririe and I guess that is why bado atari aronia murango but it has been a very tough time for William Ruto and especially akirora na kuona ati the Nyanza region is going eroreireo na it is not going in terms of the leaders, it is going in terms of adu tondu atongoria bado me thirikari ni but word on ground is that things are changing. Taishi ODM iratigarite okuria Nyanza because coast it is this time watagawana Ukambani it is Wiper Western kuna gawanyishwa kule hivyo kuna pangwa shughuli kogwo maundu ni maigi muno magikora makigia William Ruto na nigetha akinya hado hakugati watu wanamwambia he is overpromising and that he can't achieve na akiakauga ati kuhakikisha nieka maundu macio mothe na agikorwo underline the word if there is a second term then kutakuwa mambo mengi sana ya kufanya pia hiyo second term. Is William Ruto already conceding defeat? Some days ago Nturonire akiuga ati hawezi patiana serikali kwa watu ambao hawana plan, watu ambao hawana mpango. Is William Ruto already sensing that something is wrong somewhere? Draigwa kwena bill irakoro igitwarwo kuria parliament hetukio na iratwarwo ni kimanisho ngwa and the bill is supposed to make sure that the president is protected once ameannounced by the IEBC. He doesn't have to wait until time he is sworn in so that he can assume office. What does that mean? Iyo iramaanisha ati IEBC igitangatha William Ruto ni ashida onako tiwe wa shida ena rutha kiwatho wa gukoro akiathana na kuga mundu wothe urafinga. That is treasonous. I can't wega 2022 was it 2022 no 2017 riria agithurano giacokerirwo. That room is what they want to remove. That chance kamweke kauka ati after mundu uyu ni atangatho niwe wa shida ati no thigotini kamweke kau niko marenda kunina and this clearly shows that there is something that is being cooked and antikorotwo tukiona signs nyingi muno cia kuonania these people already are sensing danger. Heka video ka Oscar Sudi akiuga ati ujua watu wakitushinda tutateseka sana, tutasumbuka sana, tutasumbuliwa huku hivi, so lazima tuhakikishe kwamba hatujashindwa. All these things combined together, they are showing that William Ruto's camp is tensed. Niyama kuna ajira mwanene muno. But who is going to save him? Who is going to save him? At such a time when thirikari irehura own goals nyingi muno. Who is going to save William Ruto? Thaishi kwena kesi ya Albert Ojwang iratwarwo kahora muno. Kwina cira ucio wa Albert Ojwang, kwina cira wa Boniface Kariuki Mwangi. Boniface Kariuki Mwangi thaici arang'ang'anira muturire wake KNH. And all these things about gutokorwo magituma guns nigetha makorwo makirwo na demonstrators. It is all painting William Ruto's government in bad light. Gutiri undu thaici uronania William Ruto in good light. Ona thaici angiyumiria na kaundu kega, people will still see bad things about it. Tondu he has already shown us that nothing good can come out of him. Na gwiciria combine maundu macio mothe, nyaraikara uguo na akona having a second term is close to impossible. Rigathi Gachagua ni akoretwo bado akirekereria bombshell nyingi muno, and it is turning out that maundu macio araria, it is turning out maroka kwiyumiria ni maundu mama. Recently Rigathi Gachagua ni akorirwo akiariria uhoro wa South Sudan na RSF na Hemedi, na akiuga how William Ruto is at the middle of all that. Juzi nturonire gatheti ya Daily Nation, they have partnered with a certain investigative firm from Netherlands, na makoretwo magika uthuthuria ucio kuma for months now, na marauga ati firearms from Kenya nicio cirahuthika ku South Sudan. So meaning that the international community is watching. Ni marerera na makona what is happening in Kenya, that at the middle of something that is really at the middle of something that should really be taken care of by the country, na ni mururugano uyu urathi na mbere wa Gen Z, they are choosing to have their firearms elsewhere and focus on other people's wars. Yani ni maundu maingi muno mara happen thaici thirikari, na all of them are not adding up. Na gwiciria thaici William Ruto ni akinyete handu haria riu ni arona everything is out there, kila mundu ni arona kile kirathi na mbere. And the worst thing right now ni ati information, everyone has information. The fact that there is online information is everywhere. No single move that William Ruto can make na yage gukorwo ikimenyeka. Thaici tita gwanata mundu akianalyze uhoro uyu kuria X na akauga William Ruto arahuthira tactics cia 1993 hindi ria mare youth for KANU nicio arageria kuhuthira thaici, when at that time there was very limited access to internet, very limited access to information. Ate thaici kungiumiririe mururungano Nairobi wakamwiria andu aria mena ikuru mamenye mururungano ucio already they have already silenced everyone in that maandamano. We are not in that time right now. Na kaundu kau ka uria megukorwo magitackle online, it is something that is also bothering William Ruto. Na koguo what we have seen William Ruto saying recently ewegie one term na two term, he is sensing a lot of danger. Na ona ugithoma atmosphere ya that room, the nimarona this is a losing battle. Ndio maoni mako megi uhoro uyu. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.